Hello, my friends. I just finished setting up my homemade power hammer in my new forge. Let's check it out. I built this about 6 years ago. The hammer beats about 100 beats per minute. There's the cam that drives it. Overall, that head is about 40 pounds, which is enough to move the metal. And I have bad shoulders, so this has been a big help to me in keeping me forging. Yeah, I love it. It's pretty effective. All right, that's it, guys. If you want more videos on how I made this power hammer, check out my channel. Take care.